In today's world, the notion that money buys happiness is often debated. While it may not be the ultimate key to happiness, money can undeniably buy something just as valuable: time and freedom. The pursuit of financial success is often driven by the desire for a life that offers greater flexibility, less stress, and more opportunities to do what truly matters. This script explores how money can buy time and freedom, and why those two commodities are arguably the most important aspects of wealth. We'll delve into the connection between money and quality of life, the freedom that financial stability brings, and the ways in which financial security allows individuals to reclaim their most valuable resource: time. Time is often considered the most precious resource in life. It's limited, irreplaceable, and once it's spent, it can never be recovered. No matter how much money one accumulates, the ticking clock never stops. This is why the concept of buying time is so powerful. It allows individuals to make the most of the time they have, to live more intentionally, and to focus on what truly matters. However, many people find themselves trapped in the rat race, working long hours to make ends meet and constantly feeling pressed for time. They may dream of having more time for their family, passions, or relaxation, but without the financial means to do so, these dreams often remain out of reach. This is where money comes into play. How money buys time. There are several ways in which money can buy time, helping individuals reclaim control over their schedules and focus on what's important. Reducing the need to work long hours. For many people, working is a necessity, not a choice. They trade their time for money, often working long hours just to cover their basic needs. However, with enough financial resources, you can reduce the need to work excessive hours or take on multiple jobs. Financial stability allows individuals to choose jobs that align with their passions rather than simply accepting positions for the paycheck. They can also work part-time or retire early, freeing up time for personal pursuits, family, and relaxation. This is especially true for those who achieve financial independence. Financial independence means having enough savings and investments to cover your living expenses without relying on a traditional job. When this level of wealth is reached, time becomes entirely yours to manage as you see fit. Outsourcing tasks. One of the most direct ways money buys time is by allowing individuals to outsource tasks they don't enjoy or don't have time for. This includes everything from household chores like cleaning and cooking to more complex tasks like managing finances or home repairs. When you have the financial resources to outsource these tasks, you free up valuable time that can be spent on more fulfilling activities. Instead of spending your weekends cleaning the house, you could hire a cleaning service and use that time to relax, pursue a hobby, or spend time with loved ones. Outsourcing also extends to the business world. Entrepreneurs and business owners who can afford to hire skilled employees or consultants free up time to focus on strategic decision-making, innovation, or even personal time away from work. Investing in time-saving technologies and services. Advances in technology have made it possible to automate or streamline many tasks, from grocery shopping to paying bills. With enough financial resources, you can invest in technology and services that save time and increase efficiency. For example, using meal delivery services, automated bill payments, or ride-sharing apps can save you hours each week. Investing in a smart home system can automate daily tasks like adjusting the thermostat or turning off lights, reducing the time and mental energy spent on mundane tasks. Moreover, money can provide access to higher-end services that save time, such as private healthcare, which often has shorter waiting times than public options, or private transportation, which eliminates time spent waiting for public transport or dealing with traffic. Paying for convenience. Convenience comes at a cost, but for those with the financial means, it can be a worthwhile investment. Convenience-related expenses include anything that makes life easier and faster, from living closer to work to flying first class. Living in a convenient location can significantly reduce commuting time, allowing you to spend that time on more productive or enjoyable activities. Traveling in comfort and reducing travel time by paying for direct flights or private jets allows for a smoother, quicker, and less stressful travel experience. Health and longevity. Good health is closely tied to time. Without good health, the time you have is limited in both quantity and quality. Money plays a significant role in accessing quality healthcare, healthy food, and a healthy lifestyle, all of which contribute to longevity. Those with financial resources can afford better healthcare, regular medical checkups, and treatments that may not be accessible to everyone. They can also invest in preventive measures such as gym memberships, healthy organic foods, and wellness retreats that enhance overall well-being and potentially extend their lifespan. By maintaining good health, individuals buy themselves more time to enjoy life, engage in meaningful activities, and spend time with loved ones. How money buys freedom. Just as money can buy time, it can also buy freedom: the freedom to make choices, live life on your own terms, and pursue your dreams without being shackled by financial constraints. Financial freedom means not having to worry about money on a day-to-day basis. giving you the ability to make decisions based on what you want rather than what you can afford. Freedom from financial stress. Financial stress is one of the most common sources of anxiety in modern life. The constant worry about paying bills, saving for the future, and managing debt can take a significant toll on mental and emotional well-being. Money can buy freedom from this stress. When you have financial security, you no longer have to constantly worry about making ends meet. This freedom allows you to focus on other aspects of your life, such as building relationships, pursuing passions, and enjoying experiences. Eliminating financial stress also opens up the freedom to take risks. When you're not living paycheck to paycheck, you can afford to take career risks, such as starting a business, changing jobs, or pursuing further education without the fear of financial ruin. The freedom to pursue passions. One of the greatest freedoms money can provide is the ability to pursue your passions and interests. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a business, or pursuing a creative endeavor, having financial resources allows you to explore what truly makes you happy. Without the need to worry about finances, you can dedicate more time and energy to activities that bring you joy. For example, you might pursue a career in a field you're passionate about, even if it doesn't pay as much as other jobs. Or you might take time off work to travel, volunteer, or explore new hobbies. This freedom to pursue passions and interests is one of the key components of a fulfilling life. When money buys you the freedom to live on your own terms, you're more likely to find purpose and satisfaction in your day-to-day life. The freedom to make choices. Financial freedom provides the ability to make choices that align with your values and priorities. When you're not constrained by money, you can make decisions based on what's best for you and your loved ones, rather than being forced into choices by financial necessity. For instance, you might choose to work fewer hours to spend more time with your family, even if it means earning less. Or you might decide to invest in sustainable products or donate to causes you care about, knowing that you have the financial resources to do so. Freedom of choice also extends to your living situation. With financial freedom, you can choose where you live, whether it's in a bustling city, a quiet rural area, or even a different country. You can also choose to retire early or take a sabbatical to focus on personal growth, travel, or simply enjoy life at a different pace. The freedom to help others. Another significant aspect of freedom that money provides is the ability to help others. When you have financial resources, you're in a position to support your family, friends, and community. This might involve helping loved ones in need, funding education for your children or grandchildren, or donating to charitable causes that are important to you. Being able to give back and make a positive impact on the lives of others is a powerful form of freedom. It allows you to contribute to causes that matter and to share your wealth in ways that align with your values. This can bring a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose, knowing that your financial success is benefiting not just yourself, but also those around you. The freedom to live authentically. When money is no longer a primary concern, you have the freedom to live authentically. You can make decisions that align with your true self, rather than being influenced by societal pressures or financial constraints. For example, you might choose to live a minimalist lifestyle, focusing on experiences rather than material possessions. Or you might decide to pursue a non-traditional career path, such as becoming an artist, writer, or digital nomad, without worrying about whether it will pay the bills. This freedom to live authentically allows you to be true to yourself and create a life that reflects your values, passions, and goals. It enables you to live with intention, rather than simply going through the motions of life. Ultimately, money should be viewed as a tool that enables you to buy time and freedom. It's not about accumulating wealth for the sake of wealth, but about using financial resources to create a life that offers more choices, less stress, and greater fulfillment. To achieve this, it's important to manage your finances wisely. This involves saving, investing, and making thoughtful decisions about how you spend your money. By building financial security, you can create a foundation that allows you to focus on what truly matters: time with loved ones, personal growth, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Conclusion: money may not be able to buy happiness, but it can buy two of the most important elements of a fulfilling lifetime and freedom. By providing financial security, reducing stress, and opening up opportunities, money allows you to reclaim your time and live with greater intention and authenticity. In the end, true wealth isn't measured by the size of your bank account, but by the quality of the life you're able to create. By using money as a tool to buy time and freedom, you can build a life that is rich in experiences, relationships, and purpose.